Hi everyone, Kendall here. Today I will be showing you all how to use the Google app Jamboard. There are a lot of good uses for this in the classroom, especially for collaboration type things. So this is what it looks like when you first open the app. Just a blank white page with a toolbar here on the side and some options here at the top. So the first tool here is the pen tool. Have a few options: pen, marker, highlighter, brush. Have some colors. Click whichever one you want. Mark. Pretty simple. Next tool is the eraser tool. So self-explanatory, just erases whatever marks you've made with the pen tool. This tool here is the sticky note tool. Click it, write whatever you want your sticky note to say. And there you go. We have a little sticky note. This could be pretty useful for if a student turns something in, you want to make a note, just stick it right over wherever you want the note to go. The next tool here is the add image tool. So click it. Nice thing about this is you can upload a picture from your computer. You can upload it from Google Images, and there's also a webcam option where you can take a live picture using your computer's camera. So just an example. Click the picture, click insert, and you've got a nice little picture. This again could be used as like a sticker, how you would use a sticker like on papers, kind of how this could be used. The next tool here is just a shape tool. Has a few options here, some simple options. Just choose whatever you want, makes a nice perfect little shape for you. You can also fill it in if you want with colors, make the outline pretty, make it special. The next tool is the text box. Just click it, click wherever you want text to go. It can be on top of a shape, on top of drawings, anything. Write whatever you want to say. And there you go, pretty simple. The last tool here is the laser pointer tool. So it's kind of like a temporary attention drawing thing. It fades as it moves, so it's a pretty nice tool, just like a real life laser. So up here at the top, we have these options. We have the undo option, so I move this, undo, redo. We have the zoom option. You can pick whichever zoom is to your liking. Background option with some preset backgrounds, graph paper, lines, colors. Pretty nice. And then we have the scary clear frame tool. Isn't that scary? Click clear frame, you can always undo it. Right here we have a little drop down menu which just shows you all of the all of the slides that you've got so far. So you can add slides, you can delete slides, you can duplicate slides. It's pretty nice. And then of course up here where you title your presentation, whatever you want it to be. And there is the share option right here, which is what you would use as the teacher or what your students would use if they were doing group work or anything like that. And you can share it for viewing or editing, whichever fits your needs for that day. So I have some examples of some things you could do. This could be like a class activity. You ask them where each picture goes and drag it. This could be an independent type of thing, like a mind map sort of thing. This could be for a small group, just have separate areas for each student. This could be a classroom activity, pros and cons list, different types of activities like that. Then if you don't have any more slides, you click next, it just creates a brand new slide. So that's it I have for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in. And let me know if you guys tried Jamboard out for yourselves and how it works for you in your classrooms. Bye!